Hi, this is Devin from Vive Health Customer Service with a quick video on how to put on your Vive Lumbar Support Pillow. Now, the lumbar support pillow has a strap here in the back. The strap is elastic, and with the loop here, it is adjustable in length, but there's also a buckle. The buckle can be opened or closed to attach the cushion to the different size of chair backs that you may need. For something small, like an office chair, the strap can just be stretched. For something larger, like maybe installing it in your car, you're going to want to unbuckle this. For demonstration's sake, we'll just loosen that up a little bit, loop it over the back of the seat, slide it down, and if need be, we can retighten it. Now you want to make sure, because the positioning is the most important spot, that you position it right where the curve of your lower back is going to sit, so that you get all of the weight pushed right up against it there, and it's not too high up to where it'll be pushing you forward. It's as simple as that. Make sure the fit is secure, the cover is removable and washable, and that's all there is to it. Give us a thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.